According to a report coming out of Galaxy Club, Samsung is preparing not one, but two versions of its Galaxy Z Fold7 phone. The source close to the news publication shared three codenames for next year's foldables: B7, which is the Z Flip 7, Q7, which is the Z Fold 7, and an unknown Q7M foldable. Given that it begins with Q7, it's easy to assume that this is a Z Fold device, but the M designation is unclear for now. The recently released Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition in South Korea carries a codename Q6A. So if the Q7M was a special edition handset, it should have been Q7A. Or at least that's what we think. Perhaps the Q7M model is the low-cost foldable that tipsters have talked about for the last year. Some suggest Samsung is working on expanding its fold and flip lineup with more budget-friendly options. But we don't have anything of substance just yet.